Hi everyone, welcome to English 3. Our material today is Let's Fun with Technology with me, Miss Lisma Martarini. Our material today is Let's Fun with Technology. I know that technology is very familiar to you nowadays, but now we will talking about the history of technology and the newest technology. Okay, let me start. First one, what is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life, or as it is sometimes phrased, to the change and manipulation of the human's environment. Okay, so this is the history of technology. The history of technology is the history of invention of tools and technique, and it is one of the categories of world history. The technology can refer to methods ranging from as simple as stone tools to the complex genetic engineering and information technology that has emerged in 1980s. Okay, so for the example, we have a lot of examples of the history of technology, like the television, but today I would like to show you only once the history of handphone. Okay, handphones, called a handheld mobile radio telephone service, was envisioned in the early stages of radio engineering in 1970s. Finnish inventor Erik Tigers filed a patent for a pocket-sized folding telephone with a very thin carbon microphone. Early predecessors of cellular phones included analog radio communication from ships and trains. Okay, let me see the language features when we are talking about history of something or the technology. Okay. The first one, we will use simple past tense when we are talking about the history of technology. There are two kinds of simple present tense. The first one, you have to make a nominal sentences and verbal sentences. When you want to make a nominal sentences, you need to be but in the past form. That is was or were. And if you want to make a verbal sentences, you have to change the verb into past form. Look at the examples. I have three examples here. You can see some of the word here I bold in a black one. The first one we can see was, and the third example is also was. Is it nominal sentences? And the second one demonstrated there, it shows it is a verbal sentences. Okay, let's move to the newest technology. Okay, this is the examples of the newest technology. The first one is a smart TV. Much like a smartphone and smart home device, over an internet connectivity support from a range of applications. This opens up worlds of new entertainment options, from streaming video on Netflix and Hulu to playing games, checking social media, and controlling a whole house full of connection gadgets, including the best Alexa compatible device and best Google Homes compatible device. And the next is a smartphone. Smartphone is a mobile phone that includes advanced functionality beyond making phone calls and sending text message. The other capability, the first one is device photo. You can see or display a photo and then play a video, check and send an email and surf the web. The last one you can see, this is a smartwatch. Smartwatch is a wearable computer in the form of a watch. Modern smartwatches provide a local touchscreen interface for daily use. Smartwatches have more general function closer to the smartphone, including mobile application and a mobile operating system, and Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. The other functions of portable media players with FM radio and playback of digital audio and video files via a Bluetooth headset. Okay, when we are talking about the newest technology, we have to use or make the sentences by using simple present tense. The characteristic of simple present tense is using is using a present grammar. Okay. Is it also divided, or there are two kinds of present simple? The first one is a nominal sentence and a verbal sentence. Nominal sentence needs a to be, it's it is, am, or are, and the verbal sentence is use present forms. You can see from the examples, I have 4 examples here. The first one, opens. Why open using S? Because we have to put S in she, he, and it from the subject. And then if the subjects are you, Dewi, you didn't need put any S in the verb. And you need is and am if the sentences is a nominal sentence. You can see for the example is number 2 and number 3. Okay. I think that's all our material today. For the complete material, you can download it. Thank you so much. So nice to meet you.